Alright, your H5 relay air valve disassembly, cleaning, inspection, repair, assembly, and test. Toolkit SC494-97 E12 pneumatic grease. Spraying materials and parts, dry cleaning, solvent condition, description, H5 relay air valve removed. Warning. Valve assembly used under spring low with the U of the caution. Disassembly proceed with no parts flying out, causing injury to personnel with the H5 relay air valve. Provides automatic brake release of the locomotive independent train brakes. The remove of the repairing brake valve components. Check airline pipe to corrosion brakes. Split loose connection repair of all airlines piping consisting of replacing defective pipe and lines connection. Refer to TM55 2210 22.3 24P of the identification pipe and remove the gasket 1 and 2. Three strainers 3. Remove the 2 nuts and 4. Remove cover 5. Gasket 6. Spring 7. Check valve body 8 and gasket 9. Remove supply valve 10. Remove from the check valve body 8. Remove 4 nuts 11 and bolts 12. Remove the cover at 13. Diaphragm 14. Gasket 15. Remove diaphragm follower from unit assembly 16 from body 17. Alright, this shows your H5 relay air valve. Alright, this is assembly diaphragm follower unit assembly 16 following. Use vise and compressed diaphragm follower unit assembly. Remove retainer ring 18, seat 19, spring 20, 20, follower 21. Remove O-ring 22 from follower 21. Hard cleaning inspection, repair, dry cleaning solve with the PD6A with a toxic flammable, wear protective gloves and goggles, use only with well ventilators, avoid skin contact with the eyes and closed, and do not breathe vapor. Do not use near open flames with excessive heat with the flash point 100, 138 degrees. If you become dizzy, get fresh air and medical aid immediately. If contact with the eyes is made, wash eyes and get medical aid immediately. Compress air, use the cleaning purpose does not exceed 30 psi. Do not use the compressed air against skin. Use goggles, full face shield. Use a cloth dampened with a dry clean solvent to remove the grease, the oil, exterior of the interior bodies, dry clean solvent to clean metal parts, dry compressed air. Inspect metal parts over the cracked breaks and cuts over the damage, replace the damaged parts, check if the springs have not rusted, become distorted, or taken permanent set, replace the damaged spring with the silicone grease, lubricating O-rings, O-ring grooves, spool valve bushings in which spool valves are used, clean linen free cloth, remove the excessive lubricant. Assembly warning. Valve assemblies are under spring load. Use the caution during assembly. Proceed with no parts are flying off, causing injury to personnel. Assembly diaphragm follower. Unit assembly 16 the following. Install spring 20 and seat 19 non-follower 21. Secure retainer 18. Install O-ring 22 and stem follower 21. Install diaphragm follower. Unit assembly 16 and body 17. Install gasket 15, install diaphragm 14, follower 21, heavy bead up, check with the bead over the diaphragm is bead grove with over the body 17, install cover with the 13, secure with the 4 bolts 12 with the nuts 11, install gasket 9, check valve body 8, install gasket 6 on cover 5, install check valve on the body 17, install supply valve 10, check valve body 8, install spring 7, the supply valve 10, install cover 5, secure with the 2 nuts 4, install strainers 3 and gasket 2 and 1, test. Test the H5 relay valve air in accordance with test specification 1462 H5 relay air valve functions follows for the control port 10 when not pressure of the diaphragm spool valve or held the upper position return spring. None of these ports communication at this time. Control port 10 is pressurized sufficiently to move spool against the force of returning spring. Port 11 is communication port 9, which exhausted port 12 is still blocked off. Alright, and that was your H5 relay air valve 416.